Hello and welcome to this how to make a Google Slides demo tutorial video. So the first thing we should do in our browser is type in Google Slides. And as you'll notice in the top right hand corner of my screen, I'm signed in with my Gmail account, which just makes things a lot easier if you're using the Google Suite. So click on that. And then we can call our presentation whatever you wish. We didn't actually cover this particular platform in Workshop 2 of the recent workshop series due to timing constraints. But I'll just sort of run viewers through how we might be able to use this in in a different teaching contexts. So the example was called My Neighborhood, which performs a functional English focus. Given that's largely my teaching background, obviously you can adapt that to wherever you want. Okay, you might want to add a prompt here. Okay, and maybe your neighborhood is Kilsyth, where the series took place. Okay, and just to create a new slide, we can just go new slide. And we might have the prompt here. Where is the supermarket? Okay, and you can add directions there. So maybe you might want to put in a Google Map link. So just Kilsyth supermarket. Okay, there we go. Let's just go Woolworths. Not because I particularly like Woolworths or over any other supermarket brand, but I've copied the link there, and then I can chuck that one in there, and then just to check the link validity, I can paste that in there. There we go. Works beautifully. Okay, so you can put in something like that. You can insert images, stuff from web. These are new, or Drive, new sort of offerings from Google Slides. You can use your own camera, or you can use a URL similar to how I just uploaded the map link to the supermarket. If you want to go stock or web, these are sort of free, copyright free, I should say, images. Just to add some visual quality to it. Alright. And maybe you might want to add some text. Kilsyth has 3 supermarkets. Woolies, LD, and not quite right. I prefer Woolies because I like their loyalty program. Okay, so yeah, other things you can insert in terms of images and shapes. Yeah, so if you wanted to use your own photos, you can. You can adapt the task to that. Lots of other things as well: shapes, diagrams, tables, charts, lines, videos as well. Any links. So yeah, for a free tool, it's very versatile, and obviously Google Slides the Google Suite have a range of other digital tools that you can use, some of which will be covered in subsequent videos in this series. But it's a good sort of effective one. It can be used for presentations, it can be used for getting to know you activities, it can be used for a variety of different formative and summative assessments. I don't know, maybe you want to add something in. How How do I get to the bus stop? Okay, and perhaps you might want to use things like public transport, Kilsyth. Okay, and there you go, your little. Right, there we go. So we've got the AI overview there. So bus routes. Oh, here we go. This is good. And then you've got all of these functions here. Okay, so now we can copy the link. We've got the different bus functions here. Or maybe we want to put in Chapara Living and Learning Centre where I deliver the workshops. Okay, excellent. So we've got this sort of walking link here. I can from the Chapara Living and Learning Centre, you can follow these directions. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's pretty cool. Okay. There we go. You can even do that if you wanted to change the link. Alright, so in terms of sharing, I'll just close that because it's just a little bit distracting. You can also play a slideshow, and it functions just like Microsoft PowerPoint, I guess you could say, but obviously this is free. So yeah, it offers another opportunity for students and for teachers as well to engage with another digital learning tool. It saves automatically to your Google Drive, which is convenient, and there's a variety of different other functions like printing and undoing and things like that. And you can change the layouts and themes and colors and all of that as well. So to share, I'm not sure why it's private. I'll just change that to anyone with a link to distribute, and then you just copy the link, and then you can distribute the link, through email or WhatsApp or Microsoft Teams or whatever platform that you use to communicate with students and teachers and other staff working at the MDLC. So I'll just paste that in there, and there we go. So it's all working nicely. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video on Google Slides, and I hope you enjoy using it in your different teaching and learning contexts. Thank you.